Hello and welcome to Caravan Caravans. My name's Paul. I'm part of the sales team. You can contact us on 01476 560 599, and I hope you enjoy this short walk around video tour of our Swift Siena Super 6FB 2022 model. So as you'd expect from the Siena range, it comes packed with additional specification and highlights. It's exclusive to Caravan Caravans. And to emphasise our point of difference on the exterior, you can see that the branding, we've created the Siena logo with individual chrome cut letters. And then moving to the side, we've got sweeping side decals with a further enhanced Siena gel coated logo. So part of the specification highlights, Alco Secure Alco Auto ATC, which is the automatic trailer control. It's a great safety feature. Hopefully you'll never ever have to experience it, but it's there in the background for your safety. Near side we have a exterior barbecue point, side access locker to your underneath front seating, a 230 volt exterior electric socket. We feature a window in the habitation door. On the roof we have a 100 watt mounted solar panel. Further side access hatch to your underneath rear French bed. And then just moving around to the rear of the van, just to show you the standard Thor bike rack bars, so you can easily add an accessory bike rack, which we do sell in our retail shop, with a maximum capacity of 50 kg. Heavy duty corner steadies all round, so very robust, and you will notice the difference when you're walking inside the van. When you walk into the van, you'll be greeted with a Siena embroidered doormat, and then on the inside of the habitation door we've included a kitchen bin. So very proud to present our bespoke fabric scheme, which we've worked very hard with Swift to create. It's been very popular. It's a lovely combination of colours, and I think they do pick up the grey slate finish on some of the surfaces within the van. Horrocks four-sided pleated blinds are a nice upgrade. Does allow you to also, with the fly screen, adjust the height so you can create partial privacy. The front binnacle has your TV point, a 12 volt point, electric socket and double USB charging point. There are a couple of blanking plates on the left, so you can add additional electric sockets at a small extra cost should you wish. It's fitted with an alarm, so inside the van we have passive infrared, which will detect movement, and then there is a corner steady with a tilt sensor to detect movement of the caravan once the alarm is activated. So plenty of overhead locker storage capacity. And then panning around to the side dinette. Plenty of space there. On the opposite side, kitchen area, stainless steel sink, nice height, practical microwave. We differentiate the kitchen area with the satin white finish overhead lockers. 3 gas ring burner, combination oven grill, further pan storage underneath, and under counter fridge freezer. Main control panel and separate Truma blown air heating system panel. Moving through into the bedroom area, we've got a nice size vanity mirror and wardrobe space. And again, plenty of overhead locker storage capacity with a TV point and 240-volt socket for the bedroom TV. Moving through into the bathroom, Siena branded vanity mirror. And separate walk-in shower with bifold doors, which includes a Eco Camel shower head for maximum water efficiency. So with the panoramic sunroof and large Hecky roof light at the front, you can see, hopefully from this video, it does let in an awful lot of light. But I hope that gives you a good overview of this Caravan. If you do need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01476 560 599, and I hope we can do business.